Welcome to Home Reels Episode 5. Tiles play a significant role in interior design and architecture, contributing to both functional and aesthetic benefits to various spaces. And we know that our tiles will be a huge significant factor in achieving this. So join us as we search for the perfect tiles na bagay sa bawat space ng vacation house namin. We want a vacation home that draws inspiration from the charming and cozy farmhouse aesthetic with simple clean lines, neutral color palette, light woods, and a touch of black elements to make it a little modern. But at the same time, gusto rin namin na low maintenance and functional since we're only staying there every weekends. And we know that our tiles will be a huge significant factor in achieving this. So join us as we search for the perfect tiles na bagay sa bawat space ng vacation house namin.
So we have been researching about windows, doors, tiles, and all those finishing materials since the construction started. And our architect Noy of Crisostomo Architects suggested that we get tiles that has functions. So if you remember on our third episode, nag-canvas kami. So here is our basement. Its size is 28 square meters with 2 storage, 1 laundry area, 1 toilet and bath, and our entertainment area. So here's our basement area. Imagine this will be our laundry area. This one naman will be our toilet and bath. These two are the storages. We want our floor to be durable as we will be transforming our couches into bed from time to time. Non-slippery for the laundry area, and of course, we'll be storing heavy items and luggages sa storage room. But at the same time, ang gusto namin ay isang design lang ng tiles sa buong basement area. So our requirements are, tiles should be durable and non-slippery. So we are now here at CW Home Depot Santa Rosa with Sir Dean para i-assist tayo based sa requirements natin para sa basement tile.
Start po ako dito ma'am sa ating Alaplana Slip Stop series. Smooth, pleasant texture. AB series natin, anti-slip po siya. Pero once nababasa siya, mas lalo pong nag-activate yung anti-slip niya. Sige ma'am, try nyo po. Ito pong AB Haya, mas lighter, AB Taupe, at saka ito po yun yung AB Kauba. Lahat po sila slip stop po. Same features din po siya. Kahit na nababasa, hindi po siya ganun kadulas. Then, exquisite glaze din po. Never fade po. R11 po siya, anti-slip. So, pwede po talaga sa areas na may laging nababasa. Then, exquisite glaze. Kaya kung question na po na kung mag-fade ba siya, hindi po. Never fade po siya. Last a lifetime po talaga siya. Kaya kahit sa outdoor, okay lang po siya gamitin. Indoor-outdoor po application. Kung naghahanap naman po kayo ng other sizes, meron po tayong mga anti-slip din po ng 60x60 porcelain. Then, R11 din po siya. So, ito naman po, mga matte finish with para siyang stone design po siya. Ito po is Pinotech. Ang brand po niya is Pinotech. Origin po niya is made from China. Pero good quality rin po siya kasi porcelain na rin po siya.
So pwede ko siyang gawing option kung ayaw ko ng slip stop?
Pwede ma'am. Kasi po, ano rin naman po siya, anti-slip. Tsaka porcelain din po.
Anong size nito?
Ito, 60x60 po siya. Then, matte finish po siya. Pwede nyo rin po siyang gamitin kahit sa mga kitchen.
And now that we know our basement tile option, mas naging clear sa amin as homeowners what we want and need. Now off to the main area of the house.
So this will be our kitchen area, our dining area, and our receiving area. This is a total of 37 square meters, and as you can see, open space siya with high ceiling kasi gusto namin yung maliwalas na ceiling kahit hindi ganun kalakihan yung bahay. This will be our kitchen area, and our kitchen will be the center of our house because we love cooking. So imagine we'll put the gas range here, our sink here, and this will be a countertop. We also have our common powder room here. And then this will be our dining area where we'll put an 8-seater dining table because we love hosting and medyo malaki yung group of family and friends namin. That's why mas malaki yung dining area namin. Here we'll put a sliding door papunta sa deep pool namin. And then this will be our receiving area where the stairs papunta sa master's bedroom area is. This area will be the busiest area sa buong vacation house namin. So, we want our tiles to be extra durable, easy to maintain, hindi basta-basta nagagasgas, at kung pwede, hindi na rin madulas. Because ito rin yung daanan sa deep pool namin. We also want our tiles to make our space look bigger and maaliwalas at the same time.
Ito naman po ma'am, yung aming mga new features ng El Molino, Safe Sure. Meron po siyang antibacterial treatment. Ito pong antibacterial niya, permanently integrated po siya dun sa mismong tiles. From top to bottom, meron po siyang antibac. So meaning, kahit magkaroon po siya ng chips, nandun pa rin po yung antibac sa loob. 60 by 60 po ang size niya. Ang brand po niya is El Molino. El Molino, from Spain. Exquisite glaze din po siya, hindi rin po siya nag-fade. Next naman po, Taisera. Heavy duty po siya, scratch proof, then anti-slip din po. Perfect po siya sa mga heavy traffic, tsaka sa garage pwede rin po siya. And then R11 din po siya ratings, kaya anti-slip po. Ito pong ating gusera, ating diamond surface. Heavy duty rin po siya, technical porcelain, then certified green label. Ibig po sabihin itong diamond surface, meron po siyang high scratch resistance. Since ang diamond is pinakamatigas na mineral, so ganun din po yung ano niya, yung effect niya. Ito ma'am, kakas kasi ito. So kahit po, yan, kung naghanap po kayo ng mga tiles na hindi nagagasgas talaga, din hindi na-damage, ito po yung perfect na kailangan nyo. Meron po siyang high scratch resistance. Diamond surface po, from Gusera brand. Then, ito naman po, yung next po natin, mga swimming pool tiles po natin. Ito po si Bella series from El Molino brand. Same din po siya nung ating 60 by 60. Safe Sure din po siya. May antibacterial treatment din po siya. And then, permanently integrated din po yung kanyang antibac. So, from top to bottom din po, meron siyang antibac. And then, perfect po siya sa swimming pool natin kasi siyempre yung mga swimming pool natin minsan hindi natin nalilinis na, lalo pat pag nabababad sa tubig. Siya ma'am, hindi po siya kinakapitan ng bakterya. Talagang na-avoid po niya yung pagkapit ng mga bakterya at magkaroon ng mga molds.
Grabe, tile overload. And medyo nakapili na kami for different areas ng vacation house namin. And we can't wait to share with you guys kung ano yung mga napili namin. So, samahan nyo kami on our next episode as we share with you more about our vacation house.
It's more than just a tile. Consider getting tiles that also have special features that can make your house safer, easier to maintain, and aesthetically pleasing. The more you focus on getting the tiles right today, the less you have to worry about it in the future. See you again soon in the next episode as we shop for our final choices for our vacation house. For more info, go to any CW Home Depot branch or Cebu Home and Builder Center and look for Spanish tiles, Lux Premium tiles, Kuchera, Taisera, and many more. or visit our Facebook page at Tile and Bath Inspirations. You may also follow our social media accounts.